Look, I want you guys to know your stuff. That is why I'm sharing with you guys yet a different product research technique. On the previous lesson, I showed you my own best product selection technique. Now in this lesson, I'm going to show you a different one because I want you guys to be, let's say, well-rounded, okay? Know your stuff. And if one day you're having a bad day and you're not able to find products with the different product research technique, you're going to be able to come to this lesson and use this product research technique, and you will definitely be finding a good product. Now, I want you guys to definitely stay to the end of this lesson because I've been able to find a $15,000 per month product on this lesson. And now the best thing about all of this is that this product has literally no competition, like zero, guys, zero. It's such a good product. Now, also, if you stay to the end of this video, you're going to be getting the e-commerce legends product research criteria, okay? This is how we ensure we get good products only, and we ensure you have success with this, because by following the criteria and following the level of competition that we want to look after and how much revenue our products have to be making, you're going to keep yourself away from failing with your first Amazon FBA products. Now, apart from getting the e-commerce legends criteria, you're also going to be getting the e-commerce legends product selection workbook. Now, I designed this specifically for my business, and I want to share it with you guys today because I know it's going to help you so much. Basically, what it allows you to do is it allows you to gather all the different information from the products that you're finding by doing product research and enter this data into the one sheet, so you're able to make a better address decision as to which one is the product that you're going to be going after, okay? Pretty much it allows you to compare each one of the products to see which one will be the most profitable and the product that you'll be sourcing and getting to Amazon FBA. So let's get straight to the lesson, guys. Okay, so the requirements for doing product research with Amazon FBA. You're gonna need the e-commerce legends product research criteria, which is my own product research criteria. Let me just show it to you right now. So how I came up with this product research criteria is that I've actually taken a lot of the courses myself. You name them, I've pretty much done all of the courses on Amazon FBA in the industry, okay? Apart from that, I have products that have failed on Amazon FBA, and I also have now many products that are doing very well on Amazon FBA. So I've combined all this knowledge and I've come up with my own best product research criteria, and that's what I make, and that's what I'm sharing with you guys today. So here it is. We'll run through this in more detail later on. I just want to give you a quick overview. Apart from that, you're going to need a product research tool. Now, product research tool, what I mean by this is a product research software. You can use Viral Launch or you can use Jungle Scout. I actually first started with Jungle Scout. I wasn't aware of Viral Launch, and then I migrated from Jungle Scout to Viral Launch. The reason why I did this is because both these softwares allow you to estimate, to see how much revenue and sales of particular products are making. So I actually went and I used Jungle Scout and Viral Launch to see which one gave me the right amount as to what my products were making per month. And because they are my products, I know exactly how much they're making. And Viral Launch was way more accurate than Jungle Scout. Apart from that, and most importantly, Viral Launch allows you to do product research in different ways. They have metrics and filters that Jungle Scout doesn't have, and this allows you to find products that not many people are looking. So apart from that, you're gonna need the e-commerce legends workbook. What is the workbook? So it's pretty much a spreadsheet that I made for you guys, okay? So in here, you're gonna be gathering a list of your hot product opportunities. Don't worry, you'll understand this. We're gonna be running in much more detail later on this. But pretty much, you're gonna be putting here the link of the Amazon product, the keyword, the category, the price, the estimated cost and profit. Now these two, how to estimate the cost and profit, we're going to be doing this in a second video. Now you're gonna be also including here the reviews of your top product and the reviews of the second top product on page 1 and the reviews of the third top product on page 1. The reason why I care about these two is because, and why you should care about them as well, is because in order to make a good decision as to if to enter a market or not, you need to be looking at the reviews not only of your product, but you also need to be paying a lot of attention to the reviews of your competing products, okay? That is the reason why we put it here, and the spreadsheet just makes it way easier for you to make decisions and so on. We're going to be entering single letters here, okay? and seeing the results that Amazon gives us. So how this works is that when you enter a letter, Amazon is going to give you a lot of different suggestions. Now, each one of these suggestions, the reason why I like this technique is because each one of these suggestions are actually niches and already existing markets that have a lot of demand. That's the reason why Amazon is suggesting them to you, because Amazon is seeing a lot of people searching for these. So how I like to do it, because before, when I first started doing these, I was literally just entering any random letter, and I kept coming back to the same letters. Like for some reason, I just couldn't think about many letters. So what I like doing is I just like following the keyword on my laptop and seeing the suggestions there. So let's say we're gonna start with Q. Okay, so you've got queen sheets, queen bed frame, quest bars. That's a massive brand. Always stay away from brand dominated markets. Queen mattress, queen comfort set, and so on. So we just keep going. And for example, W. Now you have wireless headphones, wireless mouse, waterproof phone pouch. What is that? Water bottle, wireless earbuds, waist trainer, and so on. So let's just have a look at this one. Now, okay, so yeah, I actually have one of these. It's just a bit different. As you can see here, massive reviews, guys. Look at this. This is fucking massive. Number one, we're not gonna go for this, and the price is too low already. We can tell. Let's just keep going with the iPhone. Nah. Let's go with the O. Office chair, oil diffuser. This one is good, but it's way too competitive. Ovulation test strips, we don't want to get into that. Oral-B, that's a massive brand. Optical audio cable, nope. Okay, we'll just try with a P now. Pop socket paper towels, nope. That's a commodity. You never really want to, guys, you never really want to source something in Amazon that is really a commodity that you can just find in the supermarket. You sort of want your product to be a little bit special. You want something that you can private label and making your own, and you want to be focusing on creative and brand. That's what it's really going to make you money. You can really sell the business once you've built a brand, okay? Anyway, so portable charger, power strip, pepper spray. Pepper spray, that's cool. Pepper spray. Yep, so let's just run viral launch, see what it gives us. Okay, we'll just have a look here. So reviews, top 10, we need 6 under 8. 1, nope. Okay, it doesn't pass the review test. The revenue, of course it does, but it is too competitive, guys. All right, let's try shoe rack. So now this, yeah, nah, it's not gonna cut it. Number one, guys, is massive. Okay, it's going to be too large for us to ship it. It's gonna cost too much, and it's probably going to be oversized. Like Amazon will definitely consider these oversized products, and when they do these, they charge us more for their FBA fees. So we don't want to get into this one. So S. Next one is D. Diffuser for essential oils. This is a massive one. It will be too competitive. Dishwasher pots, nah. Dehumidifier, nah. Desk, diaper, Jenny refill, dog toys, dog poo bag, nope. I bet this will be too competitive. I actually need this. Dry shampoo, Deadpool 2, nope. F. Fire stick, Fitbit fan, food scale, Fortnite backpack. Fortnite backpack, fire stick. Oh, what did I just do? Sorry, guys. Fire stick, Fitbit, Alta bands, funny pack. All right, listen, this one here. Where is it? Fortnite. Now, Fortnite, guys, is. Let's just have a look at this, because Fortnite has a massive audience of real passionate people. Okay, Fortnite products will be something that I will call a passion product. Okay, if you are able to find a product that the audience are like crazy, they're like raving fans for the product, you're gonna do very well. So Fortnite is a potential very good niche. So let's just have a look at this. I can't believe they're making backpacks. So 16, as you can see, this one the price is too low. 25, 18, okay. 36, this is good. 15, 16, this is good. 42, let's just run our friend viral launch and see what it gives us. Product ID score, monthly revenue. Ooh, this is big numbers, guys. Reviews. Oh my God, guys, this is literally a killer. I'm telling you, it has. Look at the reviews, guys. It's like so little. 23, 2, 1, 2, 12, 5, 3. Guys, I've never seen anything like this. This is crazy. And everything is fulfilled by Amazon. So FBA. Look at the revenue. 15,000, 16,000 with only 2 reviews, 17,000 with only 1 reviews, and it's not brand dominated. As you can see here, it's all different brands. And look at the product idea score, guys. This is a 5-star product. I've never seen, not kidding you, I've never seen a product, I've never seen a market with a product idea score of 5 stars. This is fucking crazy. This is good. Like, this is real good, guys. Look, I'm gonna go a little bit off track, but I need to find, we're gonna go to Alibaba. I was going to be doing this on the next lesson, and I'm going to, but I just need to see this product, guys. This is crazy, and this is what I usually do. Yes, so if I find a very good product, what I'll do then, first of all, I'll go to Alibaba and try to find the product. But I need to, let's just look at the photos. If you click here, you're gonna be able to see the photos, and I wanna look for one that is not too cheap, because some of them are too cheap. So I just want to look for one like this one, for example. Yeah, I like this because, as you can see, it's different from the other ones. It's not just the backpack or even this one, but the price is too low. This one is more like an offer. When you are launching a product and you selling a product on Amazon, you want to try to make it an offer. You want to put more complementary products that go with the backpack that make it a better product or a better offer. That way you can differentiate yourself against your competitors. So I like this one. All right, it comes with the charger, with the cable. I don't know if it comes with the actual thing, but it comes with the cable and with the headphones. So that's $36. So what we want to do is we want to go to Alibaba and we want to find this one here. Yeah, so we just go to Alibaba and we'll write Fortnite backpack, Fortnite backpack in backpacks. You can go for that, but just make sure, guys, you see, we can see here a lot of these ones are the ones that we just saw on Amazon. So you just want to make sure that when you do your supplier, when you're looking for your supplier, sorry, and again, I was not supposed to go off track on this one, but I have to find out. You just want to make sure that you click on Gold Supplier. Okay, come on, Gold Supplier always. It's going to change the results, and we just want to find that one that I was looking for. So I cannot see it here. And you know, sometimes you might not find it, guys, because sometimes these sellers are very clever and savvy, and they actually get one of these suppliers to just customize and make a brand new one for them. Okay, so that could be, oh, here we are. So this one is 13 bucks, 20 pieces. And how much they're selling it for? They're selling it for 36, 37. So that is already a good return on your investment, okay? But it's exactly the same one, guys. Just have a look at this, that one here, and this one, exactly the same ones, the same photos. This guy haven't even gotten like new photos done or anything. He's just copied the same photos. Now, what I wanted to tell you guys is it says here 20 pieces is the minimum order, okay? Now, I am 100% confident that we can negotiate with this supplier, and I'm sure I can get this product for under 10 bucks or at least at 10 bucks if I buy 100 units of this. So 100 units times the 10 bucks per unit, that will be a 1,000 investment plus your delivery cost and shipping. Let's say it's 1,200, 1,300 or whatever it is. It's a fair small investment and it's got a very good return on your investment. So if we're getting this one for 10 bucks and we're selling it for $37, that is over a 50% return on your investment, guys. That is massive. So this is a very good product, okay? So what you want to do is you want to keep doing this, guys, until you find at least 5 good products, okay? And then I'm gonna give you guys the e-commerce legends workbook, which is where you're going to be adding these products. And look, a lot of YouTubers tell you, listen, you just go and you just find one product and then you go and source it, but I don't believe that's the best strategy to follow. You want to make sure you're spending at least one full day or one full half day or whatever it is, yeah? Just work hard and find a lot of these products, okay? Compile a list of at least 5 to 10 hot product opportunities, okay? Hot product opportunities, 5 to 10 very good products. And then what we are going to do is we're going to evaluate each one of these opportunities and we are going to narrow down this list to only the top 3 hot product opportunities in our list. So we're going to be looking at the reviews, We're going to be looking at the private label potential. We're going to be looking at the revenue, the profit margins, and so on. Okay, but I will teach you guys how to do this in later lessons. So once we've narrowed down our list to the top 3 products, we're then going to contact suppliers. Okay, we're going to contact suppliers, and we're going to get accurate quotes as to how much it is going to cost us to get these products. Okay, once we know that, we're going to be able to calculate accurate profit margins, and we're gonna go for the product that we like the best, of course, and the product that has the biggest profit margins. Okay, and that is how you choose your top hot product opportunity and how you make sure you have a successful product on Amazon FBA. Guys, I really hope that you found a ton of valuable information in this video, and like always, if you did, please make sure you subscribe and give us a like, and that's how you can support the family here, okay? And like always guys, if you have any questions, absolutely anything regarding Amazon FBA, I'm here to help you. So I want to ask you to please make sure you drop those questions on the comment section below, and I will make sure I reply to each one of them. Also, definitely, like I said, make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to be pushing a lot of valuable information. Okay, the next lesson is going to be how do you narrow down the list. Okay, so today we found 1 product, and on the other lesson as well, we found like 2 different products. So with those 3 products that we now have, I'm going to be showing you guys how to narrow down your list to select the number 1 product that you will be sourcing to Amazon FBA. So I'll see you guys on the next one.